For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. The Teacher Retirement System of Texas, commonly known as TRS, has increased its stakes in some of the most high-profile and volatile technology companies, including Palantir Technologies, Nvidia, and Tesla. These trades were disclosed in a recent filing submitted to the Securities and Exchange Commission, giving investors and market watchers insight into how one of the largest public pension funds in the country is positioning itself amid a rapidly evolving economic landscape. However, TRS declined to comment on the reasons behind these changes or any specific investment strategy it may be pursuing. As of August 31st, 2024, TRS managed total net assets of $210.5 billion. This makes it the sixth largest public pension fund in the United States and places it among the 25 largest pension funds in the world. With such significant assets under management, even minor adjustments to the fund's portfolio can represent substantial shifts in capital allocation. One of the most noteworthy changes in TRS's portfolio was its increased investment in Palantir Technologies, a company specializing in data analytics. Palantir has seen a meteoric rise in its stock price, with shares soaring 340% in 2024. By comparison, the broader market, as represented by the Standard & Poor's 500 index, saw a much more modest increase of 23% during the same period. The momentum for Palantir has continued into 2025, with the company's stock already up 58% this year. This far outpaces the Standard & Poor's 500 index, which has risen only 4% in the same time frame. The company has gained significant attention due to its inclusion in major stock market indexes, a factor that has driven even more investment. In the latter half of the previous year, Palantir secured a spot in both the Standard & Poor's 500 and the Nasdaq 100. These inclusions increased Palantir's visibility and led to a surge in investment from funds that track these indexes. The first half of 2024 was also a strong period for Palantir. The company reported robust financial results and secured several key contracts, strengthening investor confidence. TRS took advantage of this momentum by significantly increasing its holdings in the company. The pension fund purchased an additional 507,340 shares of Palantir, bringing its total holdings to 520,900 shares by the end of the fourth quarter. In addition to its investment in Palantir, TRS also made a substantial move into Nvidia, the leading manufacturer of artificial intelligence chips. Nvidia has been a dominant force in the stock market, with shares surging 171% in 2024. While the company's stock has gained 3.4% so far in 2025, investor enthusiasm remains high. One notable event for Nvidia in early 2025 was a meeting between its chief executive officer and President Donald Trump. During this meeting, the two discussed artificial intelligence policy. However, Nvidia faced some pressure in late January after the emergence of a low-cost artificial intelligence model from China-based DeepSeek, which raised concerns about potential competition in the AI sector. Despite this, Nvidia has a strong track record of delivering impressive financial results, and investors remain optimistic ahead of the company's upcoming fiscal Q4 earnings report, which is scheduled for release after the market closes on February 26th. Recognizing Nvidia's growth potential, TRS significantly increased its stake in the company by purchasing 1.8 million shares. This brought its total holdings in Nvidia to 8.7 million shares by the end of the fourth quarter, reinforcing its confidence in the artificial intelligence sector. Tesla was another major investment for TRS. The electric vehicle manufacturer experienced a stock surge of 63% in 2024. However, the start of 2025 has been more challenging for Tesla, with its shares declining by 12%. Tesla's stock performance has been influenced by various factors, including political dynamics. The company's chief executive officer, Elon Musk, saw his wealth increase following Donald Trump's election victory, as many investors believed that a Trump presidency would create favorable conditions for Tesla and other companies led by Musk. Before the election, Musk publicly expressed his support for Trump, and in November, he announced plans to address inefficiencies in the United States government through an initiative called the Department of Government Efficiency, abbreviated as DOGE. Despite these developments, Tesla investors have started to express concerns about Musk's level of focus on the company. With his involvement in multiple ventures, including SpaceX, Neuralink, and The Boring Company, some investors worry that Tesla may not be receiving the full attention it needs from its chief executive officer. These concerns have contributed to the company's stock decline in early 2025. While TRS increased its holdings in several high-profile technology stocks, it took the opposite approach with AT&T. The pension fund reduced its position in the telecommunications company by selling 1.9 million shares. The company reported strong earnings in its latest financial release, which was published in January. Although AT&T's dividend has lost some of its previous appeal, it still offers a substantial yield, making it attractive to income-focused investors. AT&T has undergone a strategic shift in recent years, moving away from its previous focus on the media industry. This transition has been well received by the market, as reflected in the company's stock performance. AT&T's shares rose 37% in 2024, and they have already gained 14% in 2025. To summarize, the Teacher Retirement System of Texas made significant adjustments to its investment portfolio, increasing its holdings in Palantir Technologies, Nvidia, and Tesla. Nvidia continues to dominate the artificial intelligence chip sector and remains a top performer despite emerging competition. Tesla has faced some early struggles, but it remains a key player in the electric vehicle industry. Meanwhile, AT&T has benefited from its strategic shift away from the media business, leading to solid stock performance. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.